improvement in the whole year. While we will surely miss you, we will miss your laughter, your dance, and your giggles. I know that you are ready for your next class. Congratulations, Amanda.